Hey, welcome. Preparing for algebra. My name is Susan. We're on page 191 and 192. We're looking at bar graphs right now. And the thing to remember on this page is to label the x-axis and the y-axis. The x-axis is horizontal and the y-axis is vertical. Those are the two things you really need to remember to label on page 192 of the bar graph I want you to create. This bar graph showing the Olympic data from 2016 on the number of gold medals for the different countries. So you want to set this up as a bar graph and be sure to label the two axes, X and Y. Great. We'll see you on the next page. Pages 193 and 194. 193 has the example on it of a line graph. And then 194 asks you to create the line graph using Barry Bond's double hits in each of his 8 seasons. So you can go ahead and fill in the information and then create the line graph. One of the questions here is what's the difference between line graphs and bar graphs? And line graphs are used to display data that changes continuously over time. And bar graphs are used to compare facts, like how many cats people love compared to how many dogs people love. So they're different things. You see the differences there. Let's go ahead and do the Barry Bonds 193, and we will move on to probability. Page 195 and 196 are circle graphs, and the key here is finding the percent of each item in terms of a whole. So the whole being the pie. In this case, our pie or circle is worth $500, and John has spent the entire $500 in a certain way. And the key here is to take what he spent, divide by the whole to come out with the percent of that whole for that item. Let's go ahead and do this together. On the next page, page 196, and you're going to actually take the same whole, the same $500, and split it up into things that you could buy with that $500, but the whole thing has to add up to $500, okay? And again, the key is finding the percents of how much you spend compared to the whole. Okay, good luck, and we are on to probability next.